Hey viewers, welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how you can connect your Facebook page with your Instagram page. Before we start, I have a request to you. Please subscribe our channel and give a like. Okay, let's start. First, you go to business.facebook.com. Okay, here is the link. Press enter. Okay, this is our Facebook page. Okay, we have to connect our Instagram page with our Facebook page. Click create post. Okay, here you can see connect Instagram. Click here. Loading. Okay, we are waiting. Sorry for the okay. So here you can see connect account. Click here. Here you can see allow access to Instagram messages in inbox. You can turn it on if you want, or you can also turn off. Okay, continue. Okay, then click login. Okay, save your login info. Okay, save info. So we have connected our Facebook with Instagram. Connected. Here you can see connected Instagram account. Now you have access to manage the SMS active. This is our Instagram channel name, or this is our Instagram page name. You can follow if you want. Okay, we have done.